I'm back at Kmart to show you what's just dropped, what's trending at Kmart, and some new Kmart hacks you may not have thought of. I'll also show you some fabulous sales, try on some pieces, and maybe regret not bringing these home with me. What do you think? Did I make the right decision, or should I try and return to buy any? These would have been so great when I had kids. I think you can use them not just for food storage containers, but wouldn't these make a great storage container when you've got to take kids out? Remember, I don't know if everyone still does that now, but when my kids were little, I used to take them out with me, and I used to take them out and take with me colouring in books with colouring pencils, textures, crayons, and this would have been fabulous to store everything at the one time in the one place. These beautiful acrylic ripple cocktail glasses have just landed. Aren't they just too adorable? Perfect to use by the pool when summer returns. They're $10 for a set of 4, and they come in green. And they also come in this acrylic ripple highball glasses. Again, perfect for around the pool and perfect for little fingers. Also only $10. I can't wait for summer. I really can't. I've had enough of winter. These trays are also really pretty. Very summery. $9. And they come with matching tumblers, which you can buy a set of 4 for $8. Here's the herb keepsavers for $5.50. These are flying off the shelves, really. They're trending everywhere. It keeps your herbs fresher for longer. I have heaps of parsley in my backyard at the moment that I'm trying to figure out a way of saving it. And I feel like this would work. Let me see if I can find an open one to see what it looks like. So I guess from what I can see, if you hold it upright, you can put some water at the bottom and the moisture will keep the herbs a little bit fresher. It does seem to hold a fair amount of herbs in it. So that could work. In the laundry section, I'm trying to find a 3-piece telescopic set because it sounds like a really good deal. On its own, the duster brush is on clearance for $5. But the set comes with a telescopic handle, which I think is this, which on its own is $4. But then it also comes with 3 dusters, something that looks like this, something that looks like this, and something that looks like this. So that's on clearance for $5. This on its own is $6. And that is $10. I'm assuming they're not going to be as big as that, because really for $8, that would be a great set. And I've looked everywhere and I can't find it, but you can order it online. If olive green is your color, then you must be as happy as a pig in mud at the moment, because look at all these containers in green. These all come with their matching lids, which, don't forget, I find the lids really convenient because it helps you to stack them one on top of the other, the boxes. Sage green, the Georgie side table. The jewellery cases come in a gazillion different colours. I really like this light green and darker green stripe. They're great to keep all your accessories organised, and they're really good, especially for when you're travelling and you don't want all your necklaces, your ring, your earrings just to get all mished up together or squished and lost and tangled. And they also come in red and pink and purple and pink and lavender and this lovely sage colour as well. These are the jewellery storage jewel cases. More stripes in the cube side table. And this check decor box has just landed. It looks like marble, but it's actually made out of timber. This would be a great catch-all for a nightstand or an entry table, or even just to sit nicely on top of a book. The green check decor boxes hiding behind this pillar, and they're $10. And this is also brand new, just landed. It's the green check decor tray for $15. It's actually quite solid and heavy. If you like the green and white check look, then there is a matching candle for $13. This is the violet and jasmine green check ceramic candle. Oh, it smells divine. It's got violet leaf as a top note, middle note is jasmine, and the base note is amber and musk. And if you prefer pink and red, then this is beautiful too. It's lemon and berry. Top notes are red fruits and berry. Middle notes are lemon and citrus. And bottom notes are vanilla. Adorable. Oh, wow. There's actually heaps of choices. This pale colour is on sale or clearance for $7. And it's the fresh pear and freesia. It's got a very delicate scent. And this is the check embossed candle, sandalwood and vanilla. My favourite is the lemon and berry, and the violet and jasmine probably. Remember when the Ultra Curler was just the latest thing and everyone wanted to get their hands on it? It's now on clearance, $20. Ooh, these body washes and bubble wash or bubble bath has just landed. It's the OG body wash in a red berry, the body wash in coconut scent. It's got the matching bubble bath, the bath milk, also in lavender and chamomile. And then it's got the matching body scrub. Look at these sprinkle bath salts. They're so cute. But yeah, this range apparently has just landed. It looks so cute for a tween that you might have in your life. I think she'd adore that. There are loads of clearance items at the moment. So pop online if you don't have an opportunity of going in store. But there are such great reduced pieces. This jumper dress is reduced from $30 to $20. You know how I love a jumper dress. They're just so easy to wear. You just throw it on and you're done. Look at this with the boots. The only thing is, I'm not too fond of these sleeves. I just feel like they're going to get in the way. But it is a cute design. I like the cut, giving you more access from the wrist. And this is a size 14. $22 for a relaxed blazer. You really can't go wrong with that, can you? These are really comfortable and soft pieces. Only $8 for the top and $10 for the matching pants. This would make great loungewear for around the house. Throw on a scarf, throw on a coat, and you can pop out the house and go and do some grocery shopping feeling really comfortable but looking really sharp. This sweater is $12. What a bargain. And it will look great with jeans. So soft and cuddly. This is a shirt that I thought I showed you last time I was in store, but I mustn't have filmed it. Just as well I didn't buy it though back then, because this is now reduced to $13 and I'm trying it on in a size 12. And I like the way it fits. Do I need another shirt though? But I like this. Really do. And if I wasn't being careful with my budget at the moment, I would have bought this because this is almost half price. $25 originally, down to $13. And you're going to get so much wear out of this shirt. I just think it's adorable. I know I'm going to regret not buying it, but I feel like I have something similar that I bought last year from Big W. Yeah, let me know. Am I going to regret not buying this? Okay, you're going to have to ignore the boots, but I love this dress. I wouldn't wear it with the boots, but that's all I've got on today. I would wear this with sneakers. I love this dress. These ties are adjustable, so you can tighten it and make it fit a little bit more tightly just under your bust line, which is the smallest part generally, or it is on me. It's a cotton dress, so this is perfect for spring. Ooh, it's got side splits on both sides, and it's on sale for $15. Here's another item that I think I'm probably going to regret when I get home because I really like the look of it. Oh, this would make such a pretty work-appropriate office dress, or even just going out for lunch with your friends. I know I'm going to regret it. I've been eyeing this dress for a while now. Oh, I don't know. I don't need it. I'm trying to be really careful with my budget. And it's got pockets. Did I tell you it's got pockets? How good is that? And I'm trying it on a size 14. And here it is in black. You can't see the detailing of it in black as you can in the striped white and blue, but black is fine with the boots. Oh, tell me I'm not going to regret it, but I can't buy everything that I see. But you might want to. Ooh, I like the airline look of this dress. The sleeves are really pretty with the contrasting cuff and the contrasting hem. And it's flared around the base, so it's nice and easy for walking. And you can't see on black, but it has a cute little tie, so you can tighten the waistline. And it's $30 and not reduced yet. And lastly, this is a size 14 for reference. Oh, I like the look of this crinkle maxi skirt. It also comes in that beautiful mulberry, and it's only $25. Oh, I love this look. This is the crinkle maxi skirt in black, and it also comes in that beautiful mulberry color. And I'm just wearing it underneath my jumper that I was wearing today. Look how cute it is. Oh, it's so comfortable because it's actually an elastic waistline. And it's very forgiving. This is a size 14, and I could probably size down in this. And I think it's $25. I'll just check the tag.